Merchant Navy once again. Thank you guys for supporting me. Now my subscribers are growing up day by day, and it's really motivates me to upload videos for you guys. And now jump to the our today's topic. So topic is for today is, should you join Merchant Navy in 2020? So this topic is little serious and critical obviously. So let's discuss pros and cons. See how to join Merchant Navy, that what all courses you will find in my link description below and in the card also, that which all courses are available and how to join. Now basically, should you join now? Because you have to understand the scenario, the situation. See, in every field, situation is not constant, it's variable in each and every field. You have to take corporate sector also, Merchant Navy also, but it doesn't mean that you should not join. If you have that caliber, if you have that patience, you should join definitely. And patience is the key of success. So see, now I don't think that maybe in reputed college also 100% placement is not possible. Suppose in one batch there is 80 candidate, and suppose among those 80, 60 candidate has managed to get placement from college. So that video is not for those guys. The video is for rest 20 guys who has unable to got placed in shipping company. What is the next step or next action he or she should take if he doesn't get job from the college? So you have to understand that first thing, you should go to Mumbai. There is two books available. One is Jobship, one is Marex. You should collect those books first, and there you will get company contacts, vacancies, many things you will get. Even though there is an app also, so from app also you can get, but the advertisement you will not get. So better buy those books, and vacancies are available you will get, and try give interview to those companies. I have known many people who was unable to manage job from college, and then they went to Mumbai and got job. It's difficult, I understand that this is very difficult, but it's possible practically. So you should try that one. If you fail, suppose you are, I have known one guy who was struggling in Mumbai for 4 years and he got good company at last he got. But for everyone, it's very difficult to keep patience for long 4 years. Many people leave this field if he or she doesn't get job within 4 years. So now next part is agent. Should you pay to the agent? Is it safe? So see, now if you have good source, if you know them personally, if you have jack, I am using the word jack. Maybe you will not feel like good, but it's called jack only. If you have jack, if you have that link source up, then you should pay. But don't pay any person blindly, because money is precise, okay? It's very precise. So don't play blindly to any person, because 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs you have to pay. The market is like that. You have to pay 5, 6 lakhs for a job. Suppose you have spent 10 lakh to your college and again 6 lakhs to the agent, and definitely you must go to ship, but first make sure the link up channel, then you go. Don't pay blindly, and before paying, make sure all the details, yes, details can be fake, but still whatever knowledge you have, check it properly. And then there is many incidents that agents have given some candidate tickets and all when you went to the airport and see there is no vessel in that name. So that kind of things shit happens. So you should take care of that, your money, your responsibility to think before pay any kind of money. So yes, 2020 still you can join if you have that passion for C. If you want to sell, you can join, there is no issues, but do your study hard. Interviews are coming up, you can find in the cards now. Synergy exam preparation, go for that exam, try to crack. So hopefully you have liked that video. So if you like, please like, share my video and subscribe my channel and support me as you always do. Thank you for watching my video. Signing off for the day. See you in the next video.